And here you go. I'm gonna go ahead and blind my attacker in 1 second. Wanna show? Oh, I got you right there. I can't believe the power of this small flashlight. It's able to stop an attacker in its tracks. And it only comes with this titanium flashlight. Not only it is good looking, it also features an ability for you to blind your enemies. The best part about this is that it's also a flashlight. So turning it on at the lowest setting, double clicking, more powerful, triple clicking, and it turns itself off. What is better than having a small flashlight that lets you do all those things all at once? Nothing like that. There is nothing like that exists on the market except right here with the titanium flashlight, the Aurora. And the best part, it comes in this awesome looking leather pouch that you can put all your stuff into. How awesome is that? Let's go ahead and take a look at this up close and personal so you can inspect and get to see this in action. Well, this is very impressive. I got the wrong one over here and I can't believe how beautiful this case actually is. So this is the RovyVon Aurora A24 and it is a G2 titanium. So what we get here, we get this metal thing that we can just attach to this. And on the other side, we get a USB-C cable charger that is also included. You don't have to pay extra for that. And a key ring that we can use if you want to stick this with your keys. Plus the instructions manual and very nice pouch on the side here that you can stick things in case you actually want to. Well, let's go ahead and put this right here. Taking this out, we have a very beautiful looking flashlight. And let's go ahead and inspect this up close here. So this is how it actually looks like. It is beautiful. The light, when it shines with the titanium, makes this exceptionally shiny. Now the first thing you need to do when you get this is to unlock it. And in the instructions menu it tells you how to do it. Once you unlock it, we have a few interesting features that is included here. So pressing on this just a little bit, you see the first light that comes on, it's not really powerful. And then it's going to cycle through all of them. So pressing on 2 times, you're getting it much more bigger, and wow, this thing is blinding. Pressing it 3 times again, this is the max power that it actually does. It's a very powerful light. And then of course the most powerful. So basically you can cycle through this. Now if you press on it and hold it, it will turn itself off. Now we also have the strobe mode over here, which is great because if an attacker or anyone just comes in at you, you can always activate the attack mode on here versus the regular flashlight mode. So let's go ahead and activate that one. Just double click on it and we have this blinding strobe light, which is really good. And then you press on it and it's gone. So overall we get very nice flashlight with very interesting features included. 3 different powers on this one, and with the strobe on this one. It also features an SOS mode as well. It will turn itself on, it will flash it a few times, and it goes off. And it keeps doing that, basically telling people that you need help. So overall, very great. Lots of awesome features in a very small and yet powerful package. So let's go ahead and see how good this is in a real life test. So going in here, it is beyond darkness in here. Let's go ahead and turn this on. This is at the lowest setting. Can't really see that much with that. Turning it back on the highest setting. And what a difference it makes. Now you can see everything. And this is pretty good here. It is pretty bright. And the lights are pretty good too. It shines all the way to the back end of this, which is pretty far away. And this is the highest power that it goes into. Now this is the low power, so let's cycle through it, medium, and the highest power. Now the emergency flicker here, just to show you how it looks like, is very good. Here is the SOS one right now. And that one is if an emergency situation arises, you can put that one in for a distress call. And just holding it up for a few seconds and it turns itself off.